Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing Hidden Depths Chapter 50. Meet my two firsts love. Let's see what happens Hidden Depths. Again, I knew Mason and Noah had a history. That much was clear. But I had no idea it would make even the most innocuous situations more uncomfortable, especially when it involved me. I scarcely dared to breathe as Mason glowered at Noah through the window. What the hell is Noah doing here? He's not bothering you, is he? No, he's not bothering me at all. Everything okay in there? Does Mr. Price know you're out here? Believe it or not, he does. I told him I had wait until Addie got back. Mason, I'm just tutoring him. What do you have against Snow? Are you jealous? I'm just tutoring him. I have an A in history, so I thought I had help him out. Mason glared at Noah through the windshield for what felt like an eternity. Okay, if you say he is not bothering you, I trust you. But if you need anything, anything at all, I'll come running. I'd be fine. Good night, Mason. Mason gave Noah one last long look before driving away. Sorry about that. I hope Mason didn't make you feel too unwelcome. I could say the same to you. Looked like the things got a bit intense in there. Don't worry about it. Now, to what do I owe a visit from the elusive No Harris? I know that stuff about tutoring me in history was just a ruse, but Noah scratched the back of his head, looking a bit sheepish. The best lies come with a grain of truth. I actually could use a little help before my test next week. You want me to tutor you for real? looks like who looks like you can't just get enough of me. Can't say no to a student in me. Missed a lot over the past couple of years. Staying on the team is my top priority, so I need to pass. Oh, you'll pass. Even if it kills both of us, let's get started. My throat has been damaged properly. As we began studying, I was surprised to find he was a great student. He was sharp as a knife when he put his mind to it. So, when did the Second Punic War take place? Easy. 218 to 201 BC. Even though Hannibal lost the war, getting his whole army across the Alps to surprise the Romans was tactical genius. Check No's answer. History notes. Nice. You went above and beyond with that answer. Sounds like Roman history is really clicking with you. For now, I'm starting to feel a little drowsy though. I can't have you falling asleep on me halfway through the collapse of the Roman Republic. Seeing as this might be an all nighter, we could take a quick coffee break. I know just the place. There are coffee shops open this late. Better we make coffee at home now. You had be surprised. The cafe my mom used to work at was open till midnight, and even then she had to have shoo out all the college kids studying there. Anyway, I'd like to treat you as the thanks for tutoring me. Did he really just want to buy me coffee to repay me? Or was now Harris asking me out on another date? Okay, you don't have to buy me anything. It's just a coffee. Besides, we haven't gone too much mm, uh, to talk too much since the concert. Say yes. Oh, sorry, Vassal. Coffee sounds great. We should try to focus. We don't have time to get coffee if we want to cover all. Remember? I just didn't think you were serious. Oh, I am deadly serious. Now sit down and open that textbook. We have an exam to ace. When we had made it through all the material, I finally let Noah close the textbook. I don't feel worried about that test at all anymore. You're a pretty great tutor. I should probably go home. Don't think Jennings would appreciate if I overstepped my welcome. I'm sorry if he hurt your feelings earlier. We have been friends forever, so he can get protective, even if there is no threat. In his defense, most people at school consider me a threat. Doesn't that bother you? It's whatever. People can think what they want about me. Well, I think you're not as scary as you seem. Complex? Kind of cute. Cute. I don't know if that's the word I had used. Doesn't make it any less true. Now looked me in the eyes, and I was suddenly aware of how close we were sitting together on my bed. The point is, I don't think you're dangerous. That's something coming from you. Adi Price, star student, vice captain of the cheer team, model citizen. What does an ex convict like me makes all of that? I willed my heart to stop racing. He was so close, and with that wry grin on his face, he was toying with me, but I didn't want him to stop. Well, don't keep me in suspense. Annie, I think you are not trailed off, brushing a strand of out of my face. His face was so close. If I just leaned in a little more, we would be. Hey kids, just popping in to see how it's going. You panic. We're good, but thanks for checking in. Oh, great. Glad to hear it. Dad looked at Noah and I hesitantly unsure of what to do. I glanced over at Noah, whose smirk suggested he was enjoying this. Well, I'll leave you both to it then. But if you need anything, I'm right outside the store. Dad gave us one last look over his shoulder before pointedly leaving the door open. Noah grinned at me. Why do I get the feeling he means that literally? Because he probably does. Your dad seems like a hands on guy. Why is it not moving? Yeah. Before I could reply, both of our phones went off, buzzing with a flurry of text messages. What the? Hey, party people. My parents won't be home this Friday, and you know what that means. You're invited to this exclusive party my boyfriend Mason and I are throwing. Hope to see you all there, and if I do, you better have brought some beer. Okay. Yes, we are buying some beer. You want to go? Don't you hate everyone at school? I mean, I was your best friend, right? So if you'll be there, I had been an idiot to not show up. Noah was right. If Ava was hosting a party, I had to make an appearance. And both Noah and my son were going to be there. Okay. This is a kind of complex. And thank you guys for watching this chapter with me. And I am going to produce chapter 16 right now only. I know my sore throat, by the way. Thanks.